Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Gyani. I am Shaurya. Today I'm going to talk about Mindtree expected interview questions. So Mindtree is actually conducting off-campus drive for 2022 and 2021 pass-out batch. और आपका रोल यहाँ पर है सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर and the streams are eligible, that is the CS, IT, EC and electrical, and the batch is actually 2021 and 2022 they are eligible. आप जब सैलरी CTC की बात करते हैं तो it is 4 LPA, so it is good. So now we'll actually describe about the Mindtree expected interview questions. So this is not the actual interview questions, but I have compiled the general interview questions for previous year, and I have just compiled that, and I am just presenting now in this video. So आप जब इस क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करते हैं और इस क्वेश्चंस को रीड करते हैं तो आप एक जनरल आइडिया आपको मिल जाता है. तो हम उस क्वेश्चंस और उस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चंस को विजिट करेंगे एंड आई विल आल्सो गिव यू द रिसोर्सेज. सो आपको वो रिसोर्सेज फॉलो करना है तो आप वो क्वेश्चंस एक्चुअल इंटरव्यू में फेस कर सकते हैं एंड यू विल आल्सो गेट टू नो द रेलेवेंट क्वेश्चंस. सो without any wasted your time, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. So let's get started. Okay guys, so at first we will discuss about the Mindtree expected TR questions. So TR questions हम क्या face करेंगे actual interview में. So I will describe about that. So overall TR interview questions can be resume based. So आपका resume बहुत अच्छे से prepare करना होगा. तो आप अगर interview और resume based questions करेंगे तो आप जल्दी से vote content में answer करने का ability रखना चाहिए. तो resume thoroughly prepare करना पड़ेगा. तो first is resume preparation. Second is if you talk about very deeply about the topics. So first is OOPS concept. So object oriented programming concepts is very much important. So in this OOPS concept you can prepare method overloading, method overloading. That is the common questions that you can face in each of every service based companies interviews. So आपको इस OOPS कॉन्सेप्ट को वेरी डिटेल्स में पढ़ना चाहिए और आप किसी भी रिसोर्स को फॉलो करना चाहते हैं JFG और जावा पॉइंट एंड यू कैन गेट ऑल द कॉन्सेप्ट्स. ओके, देन वी कम टू बेसिक्स ऑफ जावा. सो आपको जावा का बेसिक्स थोरोली प्रिपेयर करना होगा. तो ओवरऑल बेसिक्स यू कैन फॉलो फ्रॉम जावा पॉइंट वेबसाइट. आई विल गिव द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली ऑसम वेबसाइट. यू कैन फॉलो दैट टू गेट ऑल द डिटेल्स ऑफ जावा's बेसिक्स. ओके, then we will come to the DBMS questions. So you can say that in each of the services companies interviews, if you mention the DBMS, it will be added advantage for you. So DBMS questions के लिए आप पढ़ सकते हैं acid properties, normalization, deadlock. These are the very relevant and common questions. Besides this, please prepare this portion holistically from Java Point to get all the interview questions. So I will recommend the Java interview questions of DBMS in Java point. I will also give the link in the description. So DBMS के लिए prepare करने के लिए just overall basics काफी है. Okay, so then we'll come to the C language. So आपको C language का basics बहुत अच्छे से जानना होगा and the concepts. So most of important concepts are pointer and array. So please cover these important portions and also please basics of C language को जानना होगा. तो C language का founder क्या है वो भी आपको पूछ सकता है. तो please prepare for that. And then we'll come to the data structure. It is one of the most important portions in interview. So आपको stack, queue, linked list, all the linear and non-linear data structures का basics जानना बहुत जरूरी है. And you have to also know the different operations that data structures are operating, like node creation, deletion of linked list, and how to implement stack using queue. These are the very important questions you can find in the JFG list. Okay, so very important portion. So data structure को बहुत अच्छे से prepare करना होगा. Then question from projects. So if you've done any projects in your resume and if you mention in your resume, then please prepare thoroughly, because if the interviewer are very much eager of your projects, then he or she can ask many questions. So projects अच्छे से prepare करना होगा. अच्छे से means that you know each and everything. Okay, so please prepare your projects very efficiently. Okay. Now we can talk about the HR questions. So HR questions will be common, I think, in because it is the expected HR questions. So you can follow these questions. So general questions like comfortable in relocation, or tell me about yourself do you know about service agreement? So these are the questions. You can follow any reliable website and prepare all the HR questions. So this will be your task to prepare for HR questions. So this is all about the expected interview question. This is not about the exact and actual interview questions, but I have created an assumption by seeing overall previous year questions of Mindtree. So you can prepare from this particular video, and please also find the relevant questions from this particular contents. Okay, so this is all about, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel, so I will come up with all important resources for placements, and you can get very important stuffs. So till then, goodbye.